Um, We we have House Bill 5199 by Speaker Pro Tem Kennedy.
Thank you, Chair. 5199, this is another Department of Business regulation bill that would bring the Rhode Island Life and Health Insurance Guarantee Fund statute into conformance with the latest version from the National Association of Insurance Commissioners. They have been looking at this legislation now for a number of years. For those who are new members of the committee, the Guarantee Association pays benefits to consumers if an insurance company goes insolvent. This is unlike federal bankruptcy, where a consumer would basically become a creditor. They get in line. If there's assets still available, they might get something, but it's not a guarantee. With a guarantee association with insurance, consumers do receive some benefit from the guarantee association that their policies would otherwise provide. So in this particular case, what would happen is the guarantee association obtains the funding for the benefit of others by assessing the insurers that write the specific type of insurance at issue. Again, this is something that the NEIC has adopted, and we want to just update the Rhode Island law to make it in conformance with the present NEIC law that they adopted and that most other states are adopting.
Thank you, Speaker Pro Tem. Are there any questions for the sponsor? Seeing none, thank you. The only witness we have is Elizabeth Dwyer from DBR. Elizabeth, you may proceed.
Thank you. Again, I'd like to thank Representative Kennedy for sponsoring this bill. It has been adopted in 34 states, so we would be the 35th if we adopted this bill. And in part, its provisions would help take some of the pressure off of health benefit plan subscribers and place the requirements for insolvency more on the life companies that actually wrote the coverage. So if anyone has any questions, I'm available.
Thank you very much for your testimony. Are there any questions for the witness? All right. That concludes the testimony on this bill.